Hey y'all, it's Amanda. So this is me digging up potatoes. Thrilling. Delicious roast.
Do you ever use the audio from it?
A little.
Because this microphone is a lot better than the internal one.
Yeah. It depends. Alright, so here we are making pumpkin bread. Me and my daughter. Oop, that's okay. We'll clean it up. It's okay, I'm not mad. Go ahead, plug that in there. You're a good girl. That was pretty good though.
I just want you to do it.
Alright, ready? Whisk that together.
I want you to do it.
You want me to do it? You can do it.
No.
Ready? One-handed.
Three makes four. Three makes four.
3 makes 4.
Yeah.
Well, we got, how many eggs have I done so far?
2.
That's right. Alright, we're gonna do,
Now 3.
that's right.
And
Ready? One more makes
4.
That's right. Oh, smells like pumpkin. Should be
Yum.
fine.
I said yum.
Yeah.
Pumpkin puree. Yum.
Alright. Ooh, that's a little high. There you go. Go ahead. Perfect. Good job. I'll do one more. Maybe not quite as full. There you go. That's perfect. Alright. Salt.
I did it.
You did great. You got it? Good
I
job.
got it. I'm sifting.
You're a good sifter. Oh, you can see the spices going through.
Yeah.
There.
Yum,
Ready?
yum, yum. I love it.
That's gonna be. And then we gotta get the water. Do this part because we're not gonna add all of it.
Yeah.
And then, ooh,
Yeah.
the water. Should have given that more time. That's fine. It'll be fine. All right, let me get the pans. Okay. Hopefully I'm not in the way. All right, it's a lot. You can have this recipe and just get one reasonable size loaf. You don't have to do it as much. But this is perfect because one of these loaves is going to be donated to our school cider sale. which is benefits my my children's school. All right, so next what you're going to see after you see this part with putting everything in the oven is some nice clips of Hall Farm. And this was during just right after peak foliage here in Vermont. Here's some quick clips of us making apple pie. I didn't have the good camera at the time, so that's why the clips are so quick. I will make another apple pie and do a proper video of that, because you guys need to see a good apple pie video, right? That's all this time. Hope you're all doing well. Bye.